Today we talk about how can you find messages on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And here you will find messages in this list here. I have no messages, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. I have only this message here from Lemon here, but if you have any of another messages, can you find it in this list here on your Lemon app? So that's all you have to do to find your messages. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.